Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Schwab account protections and login verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Schwab website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Schwab account credentials in the designated fields. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Locate the account settings or profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings, find the section titled Security. Click on Security to access the security settings for your account. Here, look for the option to set up two-factor authentication. Select the option for two-factor authentication to enhance your account protections. You will be presented with various verification methods. Choose your preferred method, such as SMS, email, or an authentication app. If you select SMS, enter your mobile phone number and click Send Code. Check your mobile device for a confirmation code. Enter that code back into the Schwab website to verify your number. For email verification, check your inbox for the confirmation email from Schwab. Click the verification link contained in the email. If using an authentication app, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. After completing verification, navigate back to the security settings. Look for additional options to set up alerts for account activity. Enable alerts for transactions, logins, or changes to personal information. Review your answers to security questions and update them if necessary. Consider enabling biometric login options if available, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. After adjusting all settings, be sure to save your changes. Log out of your Schwab account and log back in to test the new security measures. Ensure that your two-factor authentication is functioning as expected. You are now ready to securely access your Schwab account with enhanced protections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.